Happy New Year. Great to see you. I just want to welcome all of you wellness educators out there and welcome to the Digital Marketing Show, the place where wellness network marketers learn how to get seen, get clients, and grow without feeling, well, salesy. Tonight, you're getting the Audience Growth Playbook, and we cannot wait to show you what we've discovered. In this webcast, you're going to learn how top wellness network marketers are growing their audience in 2026. We're also going to talk about the visibility strategy by top leaders to get seen by new audiences without spamming or cold messaging. How they're using Reels and user-generated content style, or what's called UGC, or user-generated content, like Edie and Naomi and Linda and so many others are now learning to do, to attract, capture attention, and build trust faster than ever before. The simple visibility system that they use to stay consistent without posting all day, and how all of this leads into building your base of 100 loyal customers. So while we're waiting for everyone to log in, go ahead and drop in the chat where you're from, done that, and the wellness brand you're building your business with. If you're just joining us, jump into the chat again and tell us where you're tuning in from. If you're live stream, I need to get my phone out for the live stream. We love seeing from our community. Go ahead and type it in there. So again, if you're new to YFP or this is the first time you've been on one of our live events, type "I'm new" in the chat so we can give you a big welcome. And a big welcome to everyone as well watching on Facebook Live. We see you too. So drop a comment so we can shout you out during the show. Tell us where you're joining from. And yes, let us know your wellness brand as well. So make sure your sound is working. Grab your tea or water. We'll get started shortly. So all right, the room is filling up beautifully. We'll be giving a round of shout outs both from Zoom and Facebook Live. Kristen, who do we have with us today?
Well, we've got a few in here. We have Linda. Linda says, "I'm not new, I'm old," but Linda, we know you're not that either. So welcome, Linda Harp. We have Tony Banners out there, Anne Salancy from Maryland. Good to see you, Anne. And hello, Mary Ellen. I'm glad you got your link. Fantastic. Susan Betcher out there in Tucson, and of course, Bob and Edie Gentile. So great to see you all here. And did I see any I'm News? Hello, Susan from Central Virginia. Good to see you, and Debbie Tucker. So we've got a good variety of people. And hello, Allison. Good to see you as well. All right. I don't see any I'm News unless I missed them. So if I missed your I'm New, you might have to do it again. But a lot of people we've had before. And hello, Renee. Renee, you look like a new name to me. So it's good to see you all here. All right. Well, we're very happy that you're all here tonight. And if you participate today, I believe we are doing our Challenge Cove, if I'm not mistaken. So you want to make sure you stay to the end, and if we draw your name, you can win tonight's special prize, which is going to be the Multiply Method by top networking leader turned network marketing consultant, Sarah Robbins. And if you didn't give us your phone number or mailing address when you registered for this webcast, we're going to pop a link into the chat. Make sure that you put that information in there so that when you win, we can send you your prize. So you can go to that same link and the team will be posting it there and make sure that your information is correct. Now, our mission is to empower ambassadors to build thriving wellness communities filled with lifelong buyers and a team of dedicated wellness educators who can teach health, touch hearts, and transform lives. And to achieve this, it's crucial to reduce resistance from the people who see you online and attract them to you so you're not wasting time chasing uninterested people. And let me know if you fell down that rabbit hole before. And the key to this transformation, of course, is changing how people perceive you online. So we need to shift from being seen as a salesperson to being recognized as a wellness educator and a valuable resource.
And we believe the most effective way to accomplish this is by helping you to become what we call a fully equipped wellness educator. You have the power to transform the lives of those that you work with, making a positive impact and helping create a better world, and to shift paradigms around moving from reactive sick care to preventative well care. So to succeed on your journey as a wellness educator, you really need the right strategy, the right mindset, skills, tactics, and resources so that you can reduce resistance. And one of those resources to help you reduce resistance and attract people is short form video, also known as Reels, to help you learn how to become a fully equipped wellness educator. We're going to be popping up some random resources throughout the show. And all you have to do is type them into the chat when you see them. So if you answer correctly, we'll add your name into the draw, and we'll have 3 winners today. So be sure to catch them and win the prize. Thanks, Kristen. So I'm really glad you guys are all here today because tonight's a big one. Chris and I have been kind of dying to share this. If you're new, quick context. So as I shared, I've been in this profession for over 40 years. I literally grew up in it. And what we love most is helping wellness educators thrive in this new social era without feeling salesy or overwhelmed. Now, for years, YFP has been known for 2 things. One is enrollment and retention. Originally attraction when we had newspaper ads, but if I'm being honest, our attraction game had a gap. We originally learned attraction in the days of newspaper ads, and when that stopped working, a lot of the profession kept doing what it had always done. Warm market, post and hope, and then wonder why it feels harder than ever. So we did something different. We started studying the top performing wellness network marketers for what they're doing right now to grow, not the hype, not the hot takes, the real repeatable patterns. And we analyzed their reels, we watched their stories, we mapped their weekly visibility routines, and we studied how they move from people watching to talking to booking. So leaders like Sarah Robbins, Melanie Mitro, and other leaders featured on the Mission Possible calls. We looked at what was happening in plain sight, and what we discovered surprised us. They were not relying on warm market alone. They were not posting randomly. They were not sounding salesy. They were following a very specific attraction system, and almost no one is teaching it as a system. And once we decoded it, everything clicked. So tonight, we're going to walk you through that roadmap step by step so you can finally stop guessing and start building predictable visibility that leads to conversations and bookings, which is what you want. All right, so let's get into it. Kristen, kick us off with the first poll.
Thanks, Jody. All right, first poll of the night is, what are you most, or where are you most stuck? Is it 1, attracting new people, 2, engagement, 3, what to post, 4, converting, or 5, consistency? So you should see something pop up if you're in Zoom that you can just tick a box. If you're on Facebook or watching the live stream, just give us a number, a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 with whatever your corresponding answer is. So got a couple seconds to answer that.
Does seem to be attraction is the big one, what I'm seeing here.
Attraction followed by consistency, which I think is pretty common. All right. So attracting new people is the biggest one for us, followed by consistency, which I think tracks pretty well. All right, so let's roll along.